Today we are going to be making Passover finger puppets and a theater. Let's get started. What you will need is a 3-inch square of paper or a Post-it note, which also works really well. We're going to take this and fold the sticky side in. And we are going to fold it into thirds. With the sticky side up, you're going to take that and fold that down so that it looks like this. Glue the flap down and glue the little head down. This is where the fun begins. We're going to take colored pencils, markers, pen, and you're going to go ahead and just start to draw your character's face. Now we have our face, we can go ahead and decorate and add arms and additional parts. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take a different piece of paper and we are going to cut a strip for arms. Take put a little glue here, a strip for arms. We have our little arms there. And from a magazine, I cut some pieces of paper for clothing, and now we're going to glue them on. I glued on the clothing, and this is what we've got. Now that I finished my man puppet, he's going to join all of his friends. As you see, you can add as much detail as you want. Have fun!